How to remove credit card from TikTok account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to remove the TikTok or credit card that you have on your TikTok account. So first things first, let's simply click on our shop over here at the bottom. And over here at the top, you will be able to see you have some sort of a navigation bar which shows us the different features available for us in TikTok shop. So scroll to the rightmost side and you will be able to see here payment. If you select this is where we will be able to manage our payment methods. As you can see here at the bottom, we are actually able to add a credit and a debit card. And if you have been successfully able to add one, it will be saved under the save payment methods over here, in which you can now select and simply discontinue or remove from your payment methods. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.